Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we are going to do a dump truck. I really hope that they actually have more of these. I actually freaking enjoy it. I enjoy these puzzles. I feel like it can accompany no wait hold on how am I gonna say this properly? Confident with my skills. More I do this, more I get good at the actual models itself. But you know what? It is what it is. There's nothing I can do except for keep on practicing. It's like to get good at these models, I have to keep on practicing. And it's like more I do, more I get better at it. It's like there is no right and wrong answer for this. It's like, maybe some people might ask you, how confident are you? I don't know. I don't know how confident I am because I'm a noob. You know, make sure I rip this plastic like oh well, actually that's what he say, she say. But rip this plastic off. There you go. Yeah. Wow, holy shit. There you go. Oh, wow. This is the first time ever I ripped the plastic without ripping the whole thing. This is really something. Wow. Okay, well, let me go ahead and put it back in the container like this. Let me go ahead and get right into the building. Alright, this will be really something. Oh, and one more thing. Do you guys know? I just realized what this is for. I mean, I never know, but it's like I'd be wondering what the hell this is for. Well, it is for your body. You put like a body like that, and then you just pretty much it's freaking. It's like this, and then you can paint all your little detail. You know, a little rolling. I mean, I just noticed what the hell this is for. I never have known what this is for until I look it up. Until I saw another YouTuber have this exactly the same thing. I'm like, oh, okay, this is really interesting. The same thing. This like, hey, I have this exactly the same one, but you know, it's for the model cars that I am probably don't know when I'm going to do the model cars. Yeah, I'm probably not ready yet. Alright, once again, like always, I'm going to use this, snap this up so it's already, I don't have to worry about holding it. I have to worry about, here's my drink. This tweezers, I might need this. I'm gonna put the camera a little closer so you guys can see it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and probably fuck my life up trying to search for this crap. Well, obviously we did find one. Oh, here's one right there. One. Okay, so this one here, but I really can't tell. It's the other way around. Okay, this seems about right. Like. Alright, so I finished the dump truck body. It took only 11 minutes. Wow, 11 minutes exactly. Holy shit. What that? Wait a minute. What the hell is that? Oh my god. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. My eyes is like. Okay, what I'm going to do one, and then I'm going to skip it because all of them is pretty much the same. Alright, guys. I did 1, 2, 3. It looks like I am not gonna bother putting these fucking tires on there because it's too tedious and too fucking difficult to put on, and some of them will keep breaking. So, and just like this. Yeah, you know what? I'm just not gonna bother. It's just trashing me. So once again, with this wheel is what you want to do is you want to put this first, and then you want to put this second, and then you want to put this. The small goes to the small area. You want to stick it inside first, like so. Arteries on the other side. So you want to put down, it doesn't really matter which one you put down, make sure this black flag goes this way. You want to go to the piece silver spot, you want to put it into the bigger slab. You want to slip it in, you might have to wiggle it, do whatever you gotta do to get it in the hole, because it's supposed to be this much of the gap. And if you do put it in the dump truck, be sure that put the bottom piece on the bottom. We'll put it first. You want to get down, make sure you wiggle it. Don't force it. Don't jiggle too hard because these materials are very fragile. It's not premium state. And once again, I'm not gonna bother with this. Freaking trash, and I won't put the little picture on the little front. I'm gonna go ahead skip all the other tires, so just for the sake of the video. This is pretty much one of the difficulties. Maybe the next one. Actually, this is the last model that I know of. The next model I am going to do. If I can find it first. It's over there. Next model I'm going to do, it could be one with the dinosaurs. I think I bought 3, but I don't remember. But I did bought for dinosaurs. It'd be really interesting. And here's a little dump truck. Normally, what I always like to do is from now on, every model it have to be. The plastic models have to be monthly. Unfortunately, it cannot be weekly no more because amount of the prices the model would go up. And if I do it monthly, I'm going to take my time, and I will take my time making videos, and it's going to be extremely good quality videos. So this is more like a informational video. Don't know how much information. This dump truck is like, we can say that it's in the repair shop right now, have like no tires right now, because that's fucking why right there, because it's not that premium quality stuff. It's cheap shit. The foam keep breaking, as you can see there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it is foam. It is 100% foam, and is the weak foam. So thank you for watching my crazy ass videos, and I will see you guys on another video. I don't know what it is because I'm just probably just post whatever I can think about. So I will see you guys on another video. Bye everyone. Bye.